Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Hub. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic: how to earn money with Canva in 2024. Canva has become an incredibly powerful tool for creators and entrepreneurs alike, offering a wide range of features that can help you monetize your skills and creativity. Why use Canva in 2024? Canva continues to evolve, adding new features and templates that make it easier than ever to create stunning graphics, designs, and even entire marketing campaigns. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, Canva provides the tools you need to stand out. Freelance design services. One of the most popular ways to make money with Canva is by offering freelance design services. You can create custom logos, social media graphics, presentations, and more for clients. Use Canva's templates and design tools to streamline your workflow and deliver professional results. Selling digital products. Another great way to monetize Canva is by creating and selling digital products. Design printable planners, ebooks, social media templates, or even digital artwork using Canva. Platforms like Etsy or your own website can be used to sell these products. Designing merchandise. Canva allows you to design merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You can then sell these designs on print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring. This way, you can earn passive income without holding inventory. Affiliate marketing with Canva. Consider joining Canva's affiliate program or promoting Canva Pro subscriptions. Create tutorials, reviews, or design inspiration videos using Canva, and include your affiliate links in the description to earn commissions for each referral. Creating online courses. Share your expertise by creating online courses or tutorials on how to use Canva effectively. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to monetize your knowledge and skills, reaching a global audience. Offering Canva templates. Design and sell Canva templates for specific purposes such as Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or business cards. Many creators are willing to pay for ready-made templates that save time and elevate their branding. Building a brand. Use Canva to create consistent and visually appealing branding materials for your own brand or clients. From logos to marketing collateral, Canva can help you establish a professional brand presence online. Collaborating with businesses. Partner with businesses to provide design services for their marketing campaigns. Pitch Canva as a cost-effective solution for creating eye-catching advertisements, email newsletters, or event invitations. Customer support and engagement. Utilize Canva's features for customer support and engagement. Create visually appealing facts, user guides, or tutorials that help customers understand and utilize Canva's tools effectively. Tracking performance and analytics. Track your performance using Canva's analytics tools. Monitor engagement metrics, conversion rates, and customer feedback to optimize your designs and marketing strategies. Networking and collaboration. Connect with other Canva users and designers through social media groups, forums, or Canva's own community. Collaborate on projects, share tips, and learn from each other to improve your skills, monetizing your Canva skills. Ultimately, the key to earning money with Canva in 2024 is to leverage its versatile tools and features creatively. Whether you're offering services, selling products, or teaching others, Canva provides endless opportunities to monetize your design skills. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn money with Canva in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your creative business, Canva offers the tools and resources you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching.